In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily delete YouTube watch history. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up YouTube app. Then right here tap at your profile picture, and on that screen you can easily find your data in YouTube. Just tap on that. Then if you get there the first time, it will ask you to enter your email and password, and after that you will be able to scroll down, and that's where you can find YouTube watch history. You can scroll down a bit and then tap on Manage your YouTube watch history. And that's where you can delete any watched video from your history. To do that, just hit at that crosses on the watched video to remove them from history. Also, you can bulk delete your watch history. You can tap where it says delete and then select delete today, delete custom range, or delete all time. I'm just gonna select delete today. Also, in here you can set up auto delete feature. By default it's set to off. You can tap on it and then you can switch it to auto delete activity older than, and then you can select one of three options like 3 month, 18 month, and 36 month. I'm just gonna keep it don't auto delete activity. And also in here you can customize saving your YouTube history. You can get into that option, and then you can, by checkmarking those features, enable or disable saving YouTube videos you watch, saving YouTube searches, and include YouTube voice and audio activity. So if you don't want to save your YouTube watch history anymore, just uncheckmark that option and then hit on pause. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my YouTube tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.